Okay, people, good evening. It is the 27th of August, 2018. As promised, I said I was going to bring you this, session or presentation on bankers levels. The main idea around this is, to help you find possible target areas and, and reaction areas, excuse me. So the levels that you're going to be finding are going to be levels whereby if you enter in a trade, when you're close to these levels, you'll be looking to take profit around these levels, or you'll be looking for reactions around this level. Now, depending on whatever strategy you're using to trade, whatever strategy is, this levels that I'm going to be showing you, will be useful for you to play around with, take it, add it to your trading arsenal, and do with it as you wish. I discovered this about um, 8 months ago. Through just staring at the charts as always. I love charting. I think it was one of the weekends. I just do, just going through my trades and stuff like that. But I decided to. I now wanted to be able to do long-term trades because I'm an intraday trader. I just said, what if I was going to be trading, long-term, holding my trade for longer? What parameters can I trade around? That was a question that triggered my thinking. And once again, I just, looked at my chart on the monthly, and I decided to say, okay, let's mark this level and mark this level. And I realized that those levels were revisited in the future. Okay, so let's just go ahead with showing you this. So just pay attention. This session is going to be really short. Okay, what I'm going to show you is very simple. So just take it, use it, and do as you wish. Okay. All right. Before I go on, I'm just going to tell you why I believe this levels work. Okay, these levels work. Number one, because it takes tons, tons and loads and bags of money to move the market every day. If it takes trillions and trillions of dollars to move the market every day, then you will agree with me that it takes like, gazillion, if there's anything like that, amount of cash to move the market on a monthly basis. And to do this, you can't, the bankers, the traders and market makers, they can't just be haphazard. They have to be organized. They have to be structured. Okay? Organized and structured. And there has to be a routine in there. And because of just these three things, it makes the levels they be working off of every month to be kind of predictable, if you know what you're looking for. Okay? So once we know these levels and we're able to project it into the future, then we can use it to our own advantage. So based on the strategy that I trade RTO 2.0. I'm happy when I'm already in a trade. I can use these levels as targets. Okay, I can also use these levels as good points of reaction. So if I see prices doing what I like to see around this levels, then I will be happy to take a trade there when I see what I want to see, as in what I look out for. Okay, so I know you guys are already saying, okay, what is this level? Tell us what the level is and all that. So I just have to put this out there first before I then go ahead to show you what the level is. And the tool you will need to get this level, first of all, is you will need to be in your monthly time frame. So you need to be on a monthly. That's the number one tool you need. Number two, you're gonna need your fibs. But when I say fib, I'm not talking about fib ratio level. I'm talking about the reconfigured fib that is showing you equal equal distance and values from fib to fib, okay, like this, the same R fib that I use. So let me give you an example of that. So this, okay, you can see I've done something on the two sides. Okay, one side I didn't do much, the other side I completed everything, like 1 to 15 levels. Now these levels from there to there, they're equal in distance. So this distance from there to there, they're equidistant to each other, okay? So whatever pip count you have from there to there, that's the same pip count you have there and there, okay? Very simple. And once you have this tool, what do you then do? What you want to do is you want to look at the current, so you want to look at the previous monthly that you are in, previous month candle, sorry, that you are in. All you simply want to do is identify where there's been a lot of activity. And the area where there's been a lot of activity is going to be, you know, the wicks. Yeah, price went up, went down in that area. So a lot of deals have been taking place in those areas, weeks. Okay. And from what I trade as well, like RTO 1.0, RTO 2.0, all our trades are made in the weeks area. Okay. In the weak area or around the open or close area, okay? So now, once you identify that, so for example, and we can see there's a lot of activity to the top side and the bottom side, okay? And same here with this month. This month, more activity was on the bottom, and previous month was at the top. So all we just simply do is we grab our fibs, okay, and we just draw. We're gonna do. I'll give one as an example going forward, and then you'll be able to see. In fact, let's do this. So look at this month over here. So all you want to do is you want to draw the fib from the open to the high point of it and project it forward into the the next month. So if you are in a new month, you look at your previous month candle, find the most active level where there's been a lot of buying and selling. You can do that for the bottom as well, for this one as well, because it's got activities to the bottom as well. So I'm gonna draw the bottom, that's the open to the low. Okay, so what we then do is, let me highlight what we see. So this is the month we're looking at, but we've projected it into the future. Okay, let me highlight this area and you see what happens. Let's make that a bit softer. So these levels that I've drawn out, okay, I also do another thing. So as I found the distance from the top to the open, or from the close to the low there, and we got our midpoint there, I also, you could draw the fib from, to know the equal distance from the midpoint to the edge there. Okay, this is becoming like you breaking it down further now to find turning points. So let's do that. Just want to be more accurate here. Okay, so we've already drawn that. Now you can now go into your weekly or your daily, but let's go into the daily so we can see what's happening around these levels. So now you can see what happened around this level. So this is the month that we drew, and this is the projected area that is extending into. Let me just remove the bottom one to make it look neater. But everything that I've done is just even giving us extra confluence. Can you see what is happening around the levels? Look, the level projected forward is the midpoint of the month. Look, the following month price went up in there, reacted, came down. Can you see the reaction around that area? Reaction there. Going forward, look at this bottom here. Let me just get my highlighter. So look at that turnaround over there. And then this point here as well. Look at this midpoint over here. Look at this area here. Look at another reaction here. So you could use it as a reaction or target. Look, if you use that, if you're a bull in this level, you use that level for a target. If you became a bear, you can use them target 1, target 2, target 3. Okay? So if you're a bull again, look, target, 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 and reaction, drop into reaction, target again, a reaction, target or reaction. Who knows what we're going to get here? Okay? So that's for EU. So let's go to another pair and just do another example. This is the GU. So the most active area that we can find them on both sides. Okay, so I would like to pick, because it's going south, you can pick from the highest point to the open on this occasion. Also then split that same level into 2. Yeah, just to give us more perspective. Let's highlight it so we know what we're looking at. Drop into the daily and look at this. So if you were bearish, that's a target for you. Yeah, you can use it as a target. And look, now it became a reaction area, target area, reaction, target, target, reaction, reaction. Yeah. So what next? Who knows what next? So you could do this into this level. You could stair step if you want, come back down and then go up. Who knows? It could do whatever it wants to do. But what we're using these levels for, we're using it to guide us when we're trying to find targets or we're trying to find possible reaction areas. So depending on whatever trading strategy you're using, you can use this as an extra tool to, help you project price in the future. And there's no need for you to scrunch up your chart. You want to, you're looking for where's the support and resistance line and all that. I'm not saying you wouldn't find it, but I believe that this levels that, you can still find something around this support and resistance level that you're going to be identifying, squeezing your chart this way or all that stuff. But I believe the most accurate levels are the ones we draw on the monthly candles projected into the future. Okay, projected into the future, and those areas will be used for reaction and target levels. So you can just go and play with this yourself and find out what you can do with it. Okay, let's go further. This is the Aussie dollar. So previous month we have a lot of activity to the bottom and some to the top. You can pick whichever side once you find it. Okay, each one of them will work for you, but I've been using the top weeks for now. So okay, and then again, let's split that again. Then let's go into the daily. So from this month closing on the first day of August, we could have known what areas, even without going into the lower time frame. Look at this. Look at that reaction there. The current possible high of the month is formed at that area, that line. We've already found that area already. And look at the low here, reacting here currently. Okay, so let's go into the daily. Let's see. Now look at this. This is just absolutely beautiful. So new month started here. Price went down. Boom. Reaction point and target. Up again. Where do you know? The same place. Another reaction point and target. Down on this day to that level again. Up to that the level we've already drawn out. You hit it again. Drop down. Reaction there. Up again. Look. Then down, target. Look at where this happened again. Decision to bust down. Boom, happened at that level. And then broke all those levels, broke them down, kept going, target levels, target level. And guess what? Boom. Same level you've already predetermined. That's the level that price reversed. Okay, price reversed there, revisited again the following day, and it's shooting up now. And then boom, where did it stop? At one of our predetermined levels. And then it reversed. When it reversed, look, the new day that opened after the reversal day, that day high reacted to one of our levels. And then boom, dropped. It dropped aggressively into one of our levels again. Okay? I mean, I could go on and on. Look, reaction there, reaction there. So you can try this, just pick any pair. This exercise is very, very simple. I mean, what you can just do is once you've drawn this level out from previous month, you can just maybe just put these horizontal lines there and let them stay there. Okay? Or just take the closest 3 levels to your current market. So at the moment, if we are here, you just draw this 1, 2, 3, and draw 1, 2, 3, or just 2 levels so that your chart would not be too clogged up with the lines and all that. So if you don't mind the lines, then you can leave the lines there. Okay. If you decide to even go into a lower time frame, you see the beauty is even more beautiful. Look, it's just so beautiful. Look at the reaction. So I mean, you guys, play with it and do what you can do with it, and let it become something you can use in your trading. Okay, this is Kiwi. So we got some activity to the bottom and some to the top. So let's stick to the top. I've been taking the highs, the high part of the candle, so the wicks at the top. Okay. And then let me shade the new. Oh, there's no need for that actually. So let's go into the current. So you can see, look, yeah, look at this. Nice reaction and target. Reaction and target. Easiest way to find, whatever you want to call this, support and resistance or whatever, but I call it bankers levels. Okay. Now, to some of you, you might say, "Oh, I've never seen anybody done this. I've found this myself. I've discovered this myself, and I've been playing with it. I've been working with it, and what I trade, I'm happy with the way I trade and what I see around these levels." Okay, so it's up to you to do whatever you want to do with it. I don't want anybody sending me messages to be like, "Did I learn it off whatever?" I didn't learn this off of anybody. This particular one, I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. To those of you always looking for someone that stole something from somebody and never want to agree that people learn things off of themselves or off of their self-study, so yeah, I learned a lot from Wyckoff, but there's some things I didn't learn from him. you know I learned this off of myself, from studying and staring at charts, and it's working for me. So I'm just putting out there, you can use this, on any charts. Okay, in fact, let me do this one. So US dollar CAD. So what you can do is you can just draw your levels every month. Let's split that into 2 to give us more accuracy and to see in between, and boom, let's draw it. I mean, what can I say? You can see for yourself, guys. It's the easiest way to find target levels and possible turning points in the market. Okay, so it's obvious now that the next level is going to be going for is here. Okay, if you've got in short somewhere here with an RTO1 setup, which this definitely gave you, okay, the target could be 1 and target 2. If it breaks that level again, you can look at target 3. Okay, let me do a yen pair. I know there's some yen lovers in here. So look at that previous month, draw it out. I think this is small enough. I wouldn't need to split it again. We go into the daily and look. New month started, boom, that level. Reacted down. And there was a pause in the market here where at one of the predetermined levels. And then it broke the level down, kept dropping. And where did it halt? Look, boom, reverse. Pause on that same level, break, and then continued higher. Okay, I mean, this is just like, it's just like, it's like you're seeing into the future. Okay, you can tell where they can possibly, move the market to, or possible reactions. It's just amazing. I mean, let's go into, I know there's some commodity traders as well. So gold, let's check gold out. Actually, this is the first time I'm going to do this on the fib, this level on gold. I don't trade gold. I've only traded gold once, and I did that I think last week. Okay, so this is the level over here, and if we go into the daily, I just don't want to split it into 50s again. I'm getting bored now. So the new month open at that level, drop down, guess where? Same reaction level, pause there, broke down next level, broke down. I mean, what can I say? Look, reaction, target, reaction and target, turn around again, target and reaction. So you could do that, come up and go up, or just blast through if you want, up, and then react there, come down that level and goes up. Okay, that's for the commodity, guys. Okay, people that trade indices. I've not tried this in indices before, but let's see if my theory works. Okay, so this one I got lots of activity to the bottom side here. So let me draw the fib. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it so that I can get a level. I can get a level for the top side. Okay, let's go into the daily now. And look. So Newmont started, look, reaction. Price reacted there, broke, bounced off on the new daily move, up again, broke down, reacted and paused there, down again, look, and now is ranging in between this level and that level. That's for the indices, guys. Let's go to for the cryptocurrency, guys. Let's see if crypto is getting organized as well. So that was a previous month. Okay, let's go into the daily. Okay, Newman open, broke that level, pause and reacted there, broke down, pause and reacted there, and it's turning. Yeah, here we weren't too accurate. So if I actually, If I splitted it into two, I'm sure that we'll grab that level. We'll be able to identify it. Oh, what do you know? Check that out. See? Perfect. Can you see that? Perfect. 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 So cryptocurrency, guys, you can use this as well. Let's do one more cryptocurrency. Litecoin. So previous month, from the high to the open. Let me zoom in a bit closer to make sure I got it. Okay, let me split this one now. Okay. Sorry, it might not be too accurate because I can't squint to see the levels, but here you go. Oh, guess what? What do you know? Crypto 2 is organized. Look, look. So open a new month there, broke that level, target, target, become reaction level. Look, target and reaction level. Boom, hit that level, drop, hit it again, drop, hit it again. Now it's looking like okay, it's taking all the orders out here, so possibly you might get a break, or just comes. Who knows? But I'm not predicting whatever. I don't even think I've opened a cryptocurrency before. Anyway, so there goes the banker's level for you. Okay, my name is Obviate on Twitter, and on YouTube I'm Obviate FX, and I have this Telegram group you can join. Okay, for free. This is where I show you the free RTO 1.0 setup for free. You can download it. You can download the PDF as well. You know, I'm confident that RTO 1 can be profitable for you. But I don't trade RTO 1 anymore. I trade RTO 2.0. So it's the advanced or the updated or upgrade, like you want to say, the tech guys upgraded, strategy of RTO 1. And with this, RTO 1 gives you setup once or twice every week. RTO 2.0 gives you one setup per day at least. It will give you one setup per day at least. Okay, so you can, decide to just have 4 pairs to monitor and that's all you trade. Okay. So, yeah, there goes the banker's level for you. Something for you on bank holiday. So I hope this has been useful for you. If it has been useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also, send me an email if you have any questions. And if you want to find out about RTO 2.0, I think I might be opening another slot soon. I'm not going to be doing group sessions. I don't like it. I would actually like to teach people one-on-one. One-on-ones have been more successful for me, as in my student success rate. They do a lot better with one-on-one sessions. And that's what I pride myself in doing. And then from then on, we can always come back and have more session if you don't understand one, two things, ongoing basically until you're able to get the best out of this. So guys, I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself, and remember, everything is possible. Okay, and take care of yourself, and God bless.